Imagine creating a scary horror video without a camera, without actors, just using AI. Sounds crazy, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create horror story videos using PixVerse AI. Honestly, it's super easy and anyone can do it, even if you have zero experience. Step 1. Open PixVerse AI. First of all, just open the PixVerse AI website. Sign up if you're new or simply log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll see the option to create a video. If you're interested, the link is in the description. Step 2. Write your horror prompt. Now this part is really important. You need to tell the AI what kind of horror scene you want. For example, you can write something like, a dark haunted house in the forest, thunder and lightning, a ghost slowly appearing, cinematic horror scene. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your result will be. Step 3. Adjust the settings. After that, just choose your settings. Go with cinematic or realistic style for better horror vibes. If you're making shorts, pick 9 to 16. And for YouTube videos, go with 16 to 9. Step 4. Create the video. Now just click on the Create button and give it a minute or two. The AI will generate your horror video automatically. Step 5. Download and make it better. Once your video is ready, download it. Now here's a pro tip. Add some scary background music and a voiceover. This will make your video 10 times more creepy and engaging. Step 6. Create story using ChatGPT. If you don't have a story, just open ChatGPT and type, write a short horror story with suspense and twist ending. Copy the story, record your voice, and add it to your video. And that's how you can create horror videos using AI in minutes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, some things are better left unseen.
Here's a short horror story crafted with suspense and a twist ending. The old house at the end of Maple Street had always been empty, or so the neighbors said. Ella had just moved into town and dismissed the stories as small-town superstition.